Hey y'all, my name is Tanya, but you may know me as Burn Beauty 2018. I am your go-to for beauty and fashion tips and basically anything shiny or glamorous. At 10 years old, I found my passion for makeup while playing in grandma's closet, and now at 51 years old, it's my new career. At the age of 45, I went from being a working mother to being a third and fourth degree burn survivor, and I had my entire face replaced with skin grafts. From that, I've learned that beauty is about feeling good in your skin, whatever that skin might be, and honoring that feeling. I've realized that skincare and makeup are universal. I'm using the same products that you may be using. Sometimes I just use them a little bit differently. Please join me while we explore new trends and timeless glamour, because here it's all about empowering your confidence and celebrating beauty in all forms. Thankfully, this is a new beginning. I love y'all, and remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.